In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Canva. If you've ever wanted your designs to look perfectly on brand with your own typography, this is a quick and reliable way to do it. We'll start from the Canva homepage so you can follow along easily. First, look to the left-hand menu and click on Brand. This takes you into Canva's brand tools, where you can manage your visual identity in one place. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the homepage and the menu isn't collapsed. Opening this section gives you access to everything related to your brand assets. Next, select Brand Kit. If you already have a brand kit set up, choose the one you want to add your font to. If not, go ahead and create a new one. Think of a brand kit as a container for your typography, colors, and logos so they're always at your fingertips. Naming your kit clearly will help you keep multiple brands or projects organized as you grow. Now scroll to the Fonts section. Here, click Add New or Upload a Font. The wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the button that lets you bring in your own font files. This is where your uploaded fonts will live, alongside any default fonts you're already using in Canva. When prompted, select the font file from your computer and click Open. Canva supports common formats like .ttf, .otf, and .waf. If your font came in a compressed folder, unzip it first so you can choose the actual font files. If the font family includes multiple styles like regular, bold, and italic, upload each file individually so all styles are available in your designs. Keeping your font files labeled clearly will save you time here. After selecting the file, you'll see a license confirmation. Agree to confirm that you have the right to use and upload the font. This step is important. Only upload fonts you own or are licensed to use, and review any usage terms that came with your download. Canva will process the upload, which usually takes a moment. Once it's done, your font appears in the Brand Kit's Fonts section and becomes available in the font picker whenever you're editing text in your designs. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second, then check again in the font list under your brand fonts. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.